Hi everyone, this is Uruyondo Musa. Today we have the second question in our word problem. This is the sum of two numbers is negative 5. When twice the first number is added to the second number, the result is negative 2. Find the two numbers. Et à mes frères français, de français, la question dit la somme de deux numéros est moins 5. Quand double le premier numéro s'ajoute au second numéro, le résultat est moins 2. Retrouvez ces deux numéros. OK? So how do you solve questions like this? Comment résoudre des problèmes comme ceci? Okay? So our first step again, just like any other word problem, you need to be able to uh, okay, so let me do this way. Okay, I want everything to be seen. Okay. You need to be able to analyze the question, okay? So the first thing we'll do, solution, okay? So that's for the question 2 on the word problem. So the sum of two numbers, we don't know the two numbers. We know that the sum of those two numbers, we don't know them. So we'll assume two variables to be the two numbers. So we'll say let x be the first number. The first number. Then you know already what we assume for the second number, right? And let y be the second number. Okay, they are saying the sum of two numbers. Donc ici on suppose euh, le variable x et y, ok, pour être les deux numéros qu'on ne connaît pas, ok. On dit la somme, the sum, okay, the sum of x and y, of the two numbers x and y. So the sum is x plus y is equal to, okay, ici on voit ça ici, la somme, okay, is equal to, okay, negative 5. Then let's look at the second preamble. So this first statement should be our first equation. C'est notre équation 1. OK? Et analysons aussi la deuxième phrase. When twice the first number is twice the first number. When twice the first number, okay? Our first number, what we choose to be the first number here. When two times that number. So 2x, okay? When twice our first number is added to the second number, s'ajoute au deuxième numéro, is added plus the second number, which is still y, the result is negative 2. Okay? Et ceci devient notre équation 2. Okay? Our second equation. So which one is easier to start with when you look at the two equations when we are doing substitution? Okay? We can try to make x the subject in equation 1. So we say that from equation 1, we'll have x will be equal to, I maintain the negative 5, then I bring the y to join the x. It becomes negative y. Since it's positive here, when you cross the equal to sign, come negative y. And let me assume this to be equation 3 because we'll need it. Okay, so now substitution method, we've been able to make x the subject in equation 1. Okay, let's substitute equation 3, okay, into equation 2. So putting, okay, putting 3, that's equation 3 into into 2. So what I'm saying is putting equation 3 into 2. So we want to put this in that. So it means we write our 2. So equation 2, because what x here is, I'm putting that in bracket. Now 2x, okay, this is my x, plus y is equal to negative 2. Okay, so the x here is negative 5 minus y. Negative 5 minus y, okay, is equal to negative 2. So let's do the algebra here, which is board mass first, okay. So multiplication first, that's the bracket first. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and 2 times y, that's 2 times negative y, is negative 2y, plus this particular y, okay, plus this y is equal to negative 2. Okay, so still doing the algebra. So we have, let me send grouping like terms. I have terms in y, and then this one is negative 2 and this negative 10. So I'll send the negative 10 to join the negative 2, which is now negative 2. I'm maintaining this here. Okay, minus 2y plus y is equal to negative 2. When I bring the negative 10 to join the negative 2, since it's negative here, it becomes positive 10. Okay, so minus 2 plus y, you are owing 2, and then you are able to pay 1, you owe 1. So negative 2 minus negative 2y plus y is negative 1y, okay, is equal to, now negative 2 plus 10 be the same as 10 minus 2 is 8, right? I will divide both sides by negative 1, okay? And when I divide both sides by negative 1, this will cancel that, giving me y is equal to, now the negative will affect the 8, which is negative 8. I've been able to get the y, which I assume here, okay? I assume that um, my y is the second number. Now we are looking for the first number, okay? We are looking for the x, okay? But let's look at equation 3. We said that x is equal to something. The reason I say we should name this equation 3 is because of this. So from equation 3, we know that x is equal to negative 5 minus y, right? So we know the value of y here. Okay, we know the value of y from what we solved. So we just substitute wherever we see y in equation 3, we substitute the value of y. So we say that x, wherever we see the value of wherever we see y, we substitute the value of y. So we say x is equal to negative 5, I'm maintaining this negative 5 here, minus our y, remember there's already a minus. The value of y now is minus 8, right? So let's solve this. X is equal to minus 5, okay, minus 8. Minus times minus 8 is positive 8, okay? So we'll have that x is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so therefore, said, let's look at the question again. The sum of two numbers is negative 5. When twice the first number is added to the second number, the result is negative 2. Find the two numbers. So therefore, the two numbers are, we know x, 3 and negative 8, right? Because when we now do just what the equation is saying, okay, the sum of the two numbers, 3 plus minus 8 is minus 5. And the same thing, when twice the first number, 2 times this is 6, right? 2 times this is 6. is added to the second number. So 6 minus 8 is negative 2, right? And so it is correct. So therefore we say as required. Thank you.